So I have this Cabela's Pro Series dehydrator. It's a 12 tray, and used it last week. Everything was working fine. Decided to dehydrate some meat today or tonight, and it's not working. Plug it in, no readout, no power going to the switches up here. So tested the plug, everything's working there. I'm getting power to the instrument or the machine. So I decided to open it up a little bit, and I noticed that one of the that brown right there, that guy, you can see it's kind of charred, so it's a little resistor. So yeah, I think that's the culprit right there. Sorry about the lighting, guys. I'm doing this with one hand, but yeah, I'll just replace that and see if that works. Whatever you do, don't work on this unless it's unplugged, and have a little bit of electrical knowledge before doing this, because you can get electrocuted. So at your own risk. If you're having problems, check that out.